Today we're going to make some easy homemade cream cheese frosting seasoned with just a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg. We're using our KitchenAid to make it extra easy with the flat paddle attachment. I like the one with the little scraper edge. You'll need cream cheese, butter softened to room temperature, powdered sugar, the vanilla, cinnamon, and nutmeg. We're going to start by beating the cream cheese and the butter together with a flat paddle to get it nice and fluffy. We're doing a whole 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 6 tablespoons of butter. We're going to start on a low speed, but slowly work up to a speed 4 for about 1 minute. Let's add that powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Start this slow so you don't puff up your powdered sugar everywhere, but then you'll work it up to a speed 3 or 4 for about 30 seconds. You should have a nice thick but fluffy texture. All right, there we have a lovely batch of cream cheese frosting with some cinnamon and nutmeg flavor to pipe on to whatever you're making. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end. I invite you to subscribe because if you watch this video, I've probably got other videos you'll like too.